serving up the Greenberg division of the Chesapeake and Ohio Railroad, also known as the CNO, which once supplied Casman's main connection to the outside world. When we come to the water tower, which was yours to the old logging railroad of the West Virginia Pulp and Paper Company, now known as West Rock. 1904, the mill sawed 95,000 board feet of timber. By 1910, the mill averaged 125,000 board feet of timber a day. Now entering the locomotive repair shop area, just for all the maintenance and major repair work is done on our engines and passenger cars. These buildings are replacements for the original shops that were destroyed by fire in 1972. The shop has all the tools that our skilled mechanics need to keep our antique engines running. Up ahead on the left we have Shay number 2. On the right we have Shay number 5. Today, you're right in front of Shay number 11. It was built in 1923. The Shay operated both as a logging locomotive and a common carrier. Till 1965, it served the Hutchinson Lumber Company, and then the common carrier, Feather River Railway, as road number 3. The cars that you're riding in today were at one time logging flat cars that were used by various logging operations here in the state of West Virginia to carry logs down off the mountains to the sawmills. far back as we can get, so we can allow the Whitaker train to come in behind us. Our conductor Denny is going to step off. He's going to serve the switch for the Whitaker train so they can continue their excursion down off the mountain while we continue ours to go up. Look out in the field in the distance, you'll see a high mountain ridge with 3 peaks. The peak furthest to the right is Bald Knob. Bald Knob has an elevation of 4,842 feet. That is our destination for today. Third mountain to the right.
I think that storm's heading our way.
There's the big tower. I mean the
Satellite.
satellite. Yeah, never can get it right. The Martian looking for thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that big observatory looking for Martian. Looking for Martian. I don't know. Looking for a signal. We're staying down there close to it, not too far. We have no cell service. That area?
Yeah.
There's no cell service. No microwave.
I was reading about it last night before it came up.
Yeah. We're staying over there somewhere across. It's like snow across the mountain.
What's the name of the town?
Well, guys, we stopped at Whitaker for about 30 minutes. I'm going to show you guys around so y'all can see this. Around 2015, I came out here, took a ride on the Whitaker. But it's been a long time. Here's some old cabins right here. I'd have to get farther away so y'all can see that. So I am not aware what this piece of equipment right here is. But seems like it's something to unload stuff with. If I get back here a little bit, you'll be able to see it better. What is it? Oh, it's an old what are they called? Not a cat house. I don't know what they're called. Now, I never knew that the Bald Knob train stops at Whitaker on its way back. There it is over there, Shay 11. I will be coming back to Cass on June 15th of this year to film the steam parade. I will be railfanning the next couple days up here because the Greenbrier Express is still running. In fact, when we get back, if it's not here and it has to wait on us, I'll be filming it as well. Got this big old tower right here. Fantastic. Too bad people don't climb up in that thing anymore. Look at this. Never even realized it had markings like that. Looks like some kind of claw or some kind of shovel. It seems like this is like one of the things that would pick up the logs and put them on each car. B12. I'll be honest, I don't get to enjoy stuff like this. Come up here and enjoy myself. Sometimes, guys, I enjoy the trains hands-on more than just filming it and then leaving the site. Sometimes I like to actually see the train more than just film it for everyone. I used to be way more obsessed with trains than I am now. Well, that's a lie. Everyone knows that. But there's that. And here's this. This thing looks crazy. I'm guessing this goes behind that thing or in front of it. But it's Meadow River Lumber Company, Skidder, No. 1. And everyone's on there, so I'm going to go on there myself. So here's the inside. Look at all these gears, guys. Fantastic. The fact that this is hands-on and people get to come up here is pretty nice. I didn't expect this. That looks insane. And then the thing is projected up like that. I think that's called a hood. I forgot. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Here at Whitaker.